The following segment is sponsored by Credit Union One.
Welcome back to MoneyWise. The holiday season, it's fast approaching, and we all know how easy it is to overspend. Today we have Michelle Kalinsky from Credit Union One with us to share tips on staying financially smart while still giving great gifts. Hi, Michelle.
Thanks for having me, Mark. The holidays can be stressful when it comes to spending, but with a little planning, you can enjoy the season without breaking the bank. The key is to set a realistic budget and stick to it. Before you start shopping, write down a list for who you're buying for and decide how much you're willing to spend on each person. A budget is like a roadmap. It guides your spending and ensures you don't end up with a post-holiday financial hangover.
That's great advice, but what about the temptation to splurge on those perfect gifts?
It's important to remember that thoughtful gifts don't have to be expensive. Handmade or personal items can often mean a lot more than spending something pricey. The holidays aren't about the dollar amount spent. They're about showing how you care. And if you're tempted by last-minute sales, remind yourself that those deals can add up fast.
What about gift cards? They seem like a simple go-to option for people who are really hard to shop for.
Gift cards can be convenient, but they can have a few downsides. First, fees can reduce their value, especially specialty cards. Secondly, a lot of people forget to use them, or they may expire before being redeemed. And let's not forget, gift cards can feel impersonal. Instead, try a small, meaningful gift within your budget. It's often more appreciated and ensures that your money is well spent.
So what should people do if they're already feeling stretched financially but still want to give those meaningful gifts?
One of the best ways to stay financially healthy is planning ahead. Look for sales early or consider doing a gift exchange with family and friends instead of buying individual gifts for everyone. That way, you're still able to give without the pressure on your wallet. And don't forget to build an emergency fund. Having savings on hand can help you avoid the temptation of racking up credit card debt for the holidays.
Good advice. To revisit this topic or any of ours, you can check out our MoneyWise segments on UpNorthLive.com.